Welcome. This video will guide you how to get e-coupon for LPG cylinder or kerosene using M-Coupon app. Before using this app you need to register yourself with the nearest regional trade and industry office. To register with the trade office, you need to fill up this consumer registration form. The link to the form will be provided in the description below. Fill it and visit the nearest trade office. Carry your CID copy along with the form. After you get registered with the trade office, download the POL M-Coupon app. The link to the app will be provided in description below. Open the app in your phone. Click e-coupon. Enter the consumer ID. The consumer ID is your CID number with 2 zeros in front of it. Enter your mobile number and click Verify Me. Click what you want to avail. LPG gas or kerosene. Please note the maximum limit you can avail in 1 month. Click Submit. You will receive a SMS with PIN code in your mobile. Enter this PIN and press OK. E-coupon will be generated successfully and you will receive a SMS with e-coupon number. Now go to nearest depot and show this SMS e-coupon number and get your LPG cylinder or kerosene. Visit nearest trade and industry office for assistance. Thank you.